So today we are going to fix the WC, the water tank flow system that has been spoiled. I'm going to fix it today. So that is what we are doing here at my own hacks. I want to show you how you can fix it yourself. Do it yourself. Yes, if you are new on my channel, you are so much welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please do so. Click on subscribe button and give us a like. Please make comments down so that we can answer you. And follow me as I'm going to fix the flow system of the WC here. You can see it. As you see, it is bad. It's bad. It's no longer working. You can see it here. It's no longer working. So we need to fix it right now. That is the WC. So right now it is only the flushing system in the tank, the flow master there, that is not working. So we'll begin working on that right now. So the first step is to remove the cover. Cover the seats, and then we remove the hose that is bringing water into the tank. To do that, open it, and then you unscrew this part. So unscrew this so that you can get out the float system. The float system in here. Before you do that, you need to stop the water. This is the control. See that? This is the control now. Stop the water. Stop the water there. Then we need to remove the flow system and the flow master inside. Those are the things we're going to do right now. So this is the bolts, the plastic nuts for the bolt head of the float system. This is the float system. It's actually not bad. It's still working. So now we need to remove the flow master here. The plastic that connects from the handle to the flow system has broken, and so there's nothing to lift the valve that will release the water into the WC. That is why we need to change the entire flow master inside the WC. So right now we want to begin that. To remove this, what you do is to unscrew it from under. You can see from here there is a big screw, plastic screw, that is screwed to the head and to the the water pipe that goes into the WC. So that is what we are going to do right now. We need a wrench. This is the pipe wrench that we use to unscrew the nuts. So here is the pipe. Here is the pipe that goes into the WC. Now we want to the remaining water inside is coming down. You can see the water coming down now. unscrew it finally. Last water, drain out. The water is draining out now. There you go. You can see the nuts, the plastic nuts that actually holds the flow master inside, and the rubber sealants that we use to seal the base so that it will not be leaking. So you can see that this is the flow master. This is the whole flow master. It was damaged, and the other part of it, the inner part is broken. This inner part is the one that is broken. That is it. So we have the other smaller parts here. Okay. So right now we can do small cleaning inside the tank before we fix in the new flow master. Water sediments inside the tank is what we are cleaning out now. You can see the water sediments. Doing cleaning of the inside of the tank using sponge and water. A long time when this has been in operation, so there's bound to be some sediments and water inside. That's what we are doing right now. So we'll use water to rinse that out. Using plenty of water, we can get rid of that. Gotten rid of the sediments, has been flushed out with plenty of water. Not bad now. Now we have the handle. The handle is still here, so we can actually remove the handle also by unscrewing these smaller parts. If we unscrew this small screw here, then we can get this out and remove the handle. The handle is still very strong. We can retain the handle, or perhaps use the new one that came with the flow master. You can see the new one here. You can see the new one. It's having the same quality as the one that was there before. So you can as well use the new one or retain that. So as the one that was there before. So you can as well use the new one or retain that. So first of all, we want to remove this handle out. We want to remove it finally so that we can install the new flow master. Okay, so we have the screwdriver. We can actually remove the handle by unscrewing these small parts. Okay, so we can see that the screw has been unscrewed. So by removing the plastic screw here, we can actually get the handle out. Yes, so we have this combination here, and then we have the handle. So that is it. We now have an empty tank with nothing inside. Okay, alright. So this is the new flow master. You can see the new flow master. It's going to be installed inside now. Okay, so this is the screw that we hold it at the base, right? And this is the mechanism. You can see how it works. By lifting this, then the water inside this tank will be able to come out. By lifting this, it opens the valve. I think we can see that. So put it in place, and this will be on this side, and then it will be connected to the handle. The handle will be lifting this one up when the water is inside the tank. Alright, so let's go. This is the position. Then it will be screwed down firmly. Take note, there is a rubber under here that will seal the tank so that there will be no water leakage. Water will not leak out because of this plastic rubber that we have here. So it must be here before we screw the flow master firmly into the tank. Alright. So here we go. Okay, so we set the flow master well in the tank before we finally screw it to the last, and we need a pipe wrench to do a firm job on that. So we have the pipe wrench to help us to do a thorough screwing of that. This is a very important part of the work. This must be well sealed, else there will be leakage. Alright, so we have that. So you can see this is the mechanism, this is the way it works. You can see that the flow master is not moving. Okay, we need to adjust it a little bit. So screw a little bit. Okay. It's not in the right position now. So that's it. Alright. So let's put the handle, the old handle, still good. Here is the new one. We're not going to put the new one, we're going to put the old one. Okay, it is still very strong, nothing is wrong with it. Okay, all we do is to put this in place and screw this while this is into the hook. That is, this hook goes here and to the tank, to the flow master. So it's already there. So we put this one inside first into the hook. So this is what I mean. You can see the hook there. So we pull this handle like this. Then put the handle and screw it to it. Okay. Alright. So put the handle from outside. Then we insert it into the flow master system. Then we screw it like this. Then before then, there is the screw that hold this into place also. Here we go. The seal will go in first in order to avoid leakage. Then we use this screw. So we use this screw, hold it into place like this. Okay. We will put one more rubber sealant in order for it to be set. Let's check this. Let's use the new one, some part of the new one to handle that. We need one more hook, one more screw to hold it in place. So I'm going to put one more of this. You can see. Okay. Okay, so this is the screw. I'm going to screw it down now. Let's see what happens. Now, before then, it has to be in this position. It's easily flush like this. With a little lift of water like this, then it will flush. This. Okay, it's fine. Now it remains the float system to be put there. The whole float system is still working fine, so we'll use it. Here is the old float system. Here's the new one. So they are more or less the same thing. You can check it. Check it out. Check this. So this is the flow system. Its job is to stop the water coming in from overflowing in the tank. Here. So when the water is coming in from the tap here, as you open the tap, as you can see, when you open it, water goes in. As water is going in at a point, then it must be stopped in order not to be overflowing into the bathroom. Alright, so we put the float like this, and then the system will be down like this. The float will be down, and as water is entering into the tank, then this flow system, this ball, will be lifted up gradually until it is off like this. When it is off, then it closes the tap from here. So it is when it's finally closed, water will stop coming in. That is it. So let's put it back to position. in this way. There's a rubber sealant here also that seals the switch into the tap so that there will be no leakage. Then this one holds it into position. This is like this. It's like this. There's a rubber sealant here also. You can see this black rubber. It seals the holes into the pipe that goes into the switch. Okay, so insert it like this. Then you unscrew the head. You unscrew the head firmly so that when water is turned on, when you open the water now, see water coming in. Water goes in. This one can also be here. Can be here. So as water is going in gradually, it lifts the flow system like this, and the water stops. You can see that the water has stopped. By lifting it with my hand, I have stopped the water from coming in. If I drop it, water begins to flow. So let's see it again. Let's see the water. So when the tank is being filled, this float system will be coming up like this, gradually, water carrying it up. Finally, it's up like this and the water stops. That is the mechanism of the WC. That is how the tank is being used to keep the water for flushing the WC. So when the water is there, you press this, then you release the water into the pipe. Alright. Okay. So right now I'm going to stop the water from the tap while we fix the base of the flow system. So this goes to the WC. This one is held into the base of the tank. So we're going to use the whole pipe the way it was before. We have the whole pipe that brings water into the WC. So this is inserted in. This is the first screw. So the second screw. This is first one. This is the sealant, the rubber sealant that seals the base. So I'm going to put it into the WC and into the tank. So we have the pipe. It goes into WC. Pipe is pushed into the tank while we fix this into the WC. So we want to fit it now. It's firmly head into position now. Okay, so right now we are going to, we're going to screw it up. Okay, this is now in position. So we screw first screw up. We need the pipe wrench to have a good grip. Alright. So we release the water fully. Okay. So next small job that we have left is to seal the opening here. So we have a system that we seal that. We have something here to do that job. You can see that. That's what we use to seal the hole. So we screw it inside. This like that. Then we can release the water into the tank. So you can see the water going to the tank now. So we're going to allow the water to go in. When it is full, then we try to flush it and see what happens. Right? So we can see that the water is about to fill up the tank. The water is about to fill up the tank, and the water is stopping gradually because the float system is up. So we can turn this float system in this manner. Okay. It will be up like this for the water to stop. Then if it's not stopping on time, if the float is up but the water is not stopping, then we can adjust the screw here. We unscrew it. When you unscrew it, we do a nice job. You can see that the water has stopped now by merely adjusting the screw like 1 or 2 turns. The water must fill the tank, but the water must not enter into this hole before the tap stops. You can see the position here that the water is actually filling the tank. It has filled up the tank. If it's above this level, then the water will be entering into this hole and overflow into the bathroom. So it must be right adjustment, the right setting of the float. And that is the right setting that we have here. We have the right setting here. The water is not coming in again, and the water is not getting out of the tank. At the same time, the tank is full. So that is it. So we want to see how it will work. If you flush this system, what happens? So we want to now flush it. So let's open the WC and flush. Okay. I want to flush it now. See what happened here. Water is coming. The water goes down and the tank begins to be filled up once again. There is no water leakage into the bedroom. No water leakage from anywhere. That is the job. We have done a very good job with that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share the video, smash the notification bell so that when we upload another video, you get notified by YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time when I bring another interesting video, I say bye bye. So that is it. That is the work we want to do. We want to put the head of the tank back. Okay. This is the head of the tank. Everything is now in position. All done the way it should be. So the mechanism of the WC is now working fine once again. Until another time, bye bye.